If you're looking to learn how to create custom reports in CoConstruct, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create reports that fit your specific needs and help you make informed decisions for your construction projects. Stay tuned, because I'll also share how you can try this software for free with an exclusive bonus. To kick things off, let's talk about the basics. CoConstruct has a wide range of built-in reports, but the power really lies in customizing them. You can tailor reports to pull exactly the data you need without the clutter. The first thing you want to do is log in to your CoConstruct account and navigate to the Reports section. From there, you'll see a list of available report templates. Next thing, let's talk about selecting the right report template. CoConstruct offers several default reports, like project financials, job costing, and client communication summaries. Pick one of these that's closest to what you want, then click on the Customize button. This opens up a new screen where you can modify the report fields, add or remove columns, and adjust how the data is displayed. The third thing to consider is applying filters. Filters are crucial for refining the data that shows up in your report. CoConstruct allows you to filter by specific project types, job statuses, or dates. This is especially helpful when you want to see only the most relevant information for a particular phase of your project. Play around with different filters to find the exact data you need. Now let's talk about grouping your data. In CoConstruct, you can organize your data into groups based on criteria like project, client, or category. This makes it easy to quickly compare similar projects or financials across the board. Grouping is also useful for getting high-level insights, which can make it easier to identify trends or areas that need attention. Next, you'll want to adjust the report layout. CoConstruct allows you to modify how your report looks, making it easier to read and present to clients or team members. You can choose between a grid format, a summary view, or even a more detailed breakdown. Just experiment with the layout until it suits your needs. The fifth thing is saving and sharing your custom reports. After you've created the report you want, don't forget to save it for future use. You can even give it a unique name to make it easier to find next time. Sharing reports is simple too. Just use the export option to download the report as a PDF, Excel file, or even email it directly from CoConstruct. And the last thing to keep in mind is automating your custom reports. CoConstruct allows you to set up automated reports that can be delivered on a regular basis. This is great if you need reports sent to clients or your team at certain intervals. Just set the frequency and recipients and let CoConstruct handle the rest. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try CoConstruct completely free through the first link in the description below, and you'll also get some exclusive bonuses that will make your experience even better. So, whether you're just starting with CoConstruct or already familiar with the platform, customizing reports can save you time and provide better insights into your construction projects. Don't forget to take advantage of that extended free trial